Respected speaker, sir, honorable judges, and their audience. Today I stand before you to oppose the topic and adoption of AI in the education system of the country undermines human cognitive abilities. So, cognitive abilities are about problem solving, reasoning, and critical thinking. AI doesn't undermine this skill, rather it strengthens it. According to UNESCO report 2023, 75% of students using AI-powered tools showed an improved in problem-solving skills. According to McKinsey Global Institute 2022 report, AI-assisted learning helps students grasp complex concepts 40% faster than traditional method. And the Khan Academy, which is an AI teacher, changes the difficulty of question based on how well a student is doing. This way, a student can understand the concept instead of memorizing. Similarly, India's Diksha's platform helps students learn better by using AI to give them lessons that match their learning needs. Some may argue that AI will replace teachers. My dear opponents, let me reassure you that AI isn't plotting a coup against teachers. Instead, it serves as an assistant, handling repetitive tasks to provide the best out of the students. For example, think of AI in education as a calculator in maths. When calculators were invented back in 1642, they didn't replace the ability of teachers or students. Rather, it make easy for them to solve bigger sums and help them to save time. And I'm quite sure that many of my worthy opponents may have used AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek to prepare for the debates. So, if AI truly weakens the cognitive abilities, does that mean your arguments are weak too? Rather, it helps you to structure, analyze, and refine our thoughts, which enhance cognitive abilities. Speaker, sir, imagine two students preparing for a final exam. One is preparing through traditional methods by books, and another one is preparing through help of ChatGPT, DeepSeek. The first student spent hours summarizing the chapter, struggling to organize the key points. But in compared to the first students, the second student will be able to cover more details and would make able to summarize the notes in a short span of time. And one of my worthy opponents says that through ChatGPT we can get answer easily. It seems funny because it helps us to save our time, as it can be referred as smart work. My opponents say that underprivileged doesn't get access to ChatGPT. See, if we generally see from rich to privileged, most have access to our mobile phones, most have smartphones, so they can access it. Another one of my opponents said that ChatGPT AI, they do not understand, through ChatGPT we cannot understand the concept more easily. See, the ChatGPT or the AI chat box are very much flexible. Maybe you haven't worked upon it. Maybe AI can provide answer thoroughly, but you have to know the way how it seems to be used. So you have to choose it wisely. If AI truly weakness cognitive skills, shouldn't the second one of my opponent members said that AI just gives ready-made answer and stops students from thinking. Instead, according to OECD 2021 report, found that AI-based learning improves student logical reasoning by 20 to 30%. 2022 European Commission study showed that in Finland, which is a developed nation, where AI is widely used in education, student problem solving increased by 35%. And let's talk about our India. If it is a cognitive disaster, wouldn't the government be investing heavily in its integration? NEP 2020, Diksha, PM E-Vidya and Swayam, Niti Aayog, which focus to guide students. In Delhi, government schools, AI-powered chatbots like Sophie answer students' queries outside the box. Talking about Assam, Royal Global School Guwahati has embraced AI in education. In May 2024, introduced IRIS, Northeast's first AI-powered teacher under Niti Aayog Atal Tinkering Lab initiative. In the budget 2025-26, Assam government demonstrated a strong commitment to integrating AI into the state's education system, aiming to enhance educational outcomes. Talking about our college, if we take the example of our college biometric fingerprint sensor, it clearly demonstrates how AI-driven technology can enhance data of the student for verification. It helps them to develop discipline, punctuality, which contribute to their overall cognitive and professional development. Thank you.